Welcome to Technify. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best washing machines of 2024. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient appliance to keep your clothes clean and fresh, these washing machines offer the perfect blend of performance, features, and energy efficiency. We'll explore the standout features, design, and cleaning capabilities that make each of these washing machines a top choice for households of all sizes. Whether you're looking for a basic model or a high-tech machine with advanced features, you'll find the perfect washing machine here. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and give us a thumbs up so you never miss an update from Technify. Let's get started. Number 5. The Laundry Alternative Portable Washing Machine. The Laundry Alternative Portable Washing Machine *** is a compact and energy-efficient solution designed for those seeking convenience and portability in laundry care. Ideal for small spaces such as apartments, dorms, or RVs, this portable washer is both lightweight and easy to use, making it perfect for individuals on the go. Despite its small size, the machine is capable of handling up to 5 pounds of laundry per load, making it suitable for washing essentials like clothes, towels, and delicates. The eco-friendly design uses less water and energy compared to traditional washers, while the manual operation ensures that you have complete control over the washing process. With its sturdy construction and simple, hand-crank mechanism, the Laundry Alternative Portable Washing Machine offers a reliable and effective way to keep your clothes clean. Even without access to full-size laundry facilities, the Laundry Alternative Portable Washing Machine also features a quiet operation, making it ideal for use in shared living spaces. Its compact design allows for easy storage when not in use, and it's built to last with durable, high-quality materials. This portable washer is an excellent choice for those who need a convenient, space-saving laundry solution without sacrificing performance. Number 4. Comfy Portable Washing Machine. The Comfy Portable Washing Machine ** is a versatile and user-friendly appliance designed to make laundry easier in small living spaces. With its compact design and 6-pound load capacity, this machine is perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, and even travel. The Comfy Washer offers a range of features, including multiple wash programs and water level settings, allowing users to customize each wash cycle based on their laundry needs. Its LED display and intuitive controls make operation simple, even for those new to portable washing machines. The machine is also designed with energy and water efficiency in mind, helping to reduce utility costs while being environmentally friendly. With its durable build and quiet operation, the Comfy Portable Washing Machine provides a reliable and convenient laundry solution for those with limited space. The Comfy Portable Washing Machine is a compact and efficient laundry solution, ideal for small spaces like apartments and dorms. With a 6-pound load capacity and multiple wash settings, it offers customizable cycles for different fabrics. Its energy-efficient design helps save on water and electricity, while the LED display and intuitive controls ensure easy operation. Sturdy and quiet, the Comfy Washer provides a reliable and space-saving option for convenient, hassle-free laundry. Number 3. OurTech Twin Tub Mini Portable Washing Machine. The OurTech Twin Tub Mini Portable Washing Machine ** is a compact and efficient appliance designed for those who need a convenient laundry solution in tight spaces. Featuring a dual tub design, this machine allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, significantly cutting down on laundry time. With a 1300 RPM powerful motor and a capacity of up to 8 pounds for washing and 5 pounds for spinning, it efficiently handles small to medium loads, making it perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, and camping trips. The machine's lightweight and portable build ensures easy transportation and storage, while the simple control panel with separate timer settings for wash and spin functions provides flexibility in use. Durable and easy to operate, the OurTech Twin Tub Mini offers an effective and space-saving solution for your everyday laundry needs. The OurTech Twin Tub Mini Portable Washing Machine also features low water and energy consumption, making it an eco-friendly choice for budget-conscious users. Its durable plastic body resists rust and wear, ensuring long-lasting performance. With its combination of portability, efficiency, and ease of use, this washing machine is an excellent option for those looking to simplify their laundry routine in small spaces. Its compact design makes it a perfect fit for any tight living space or on-the-go lifestyle. Number 2. Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine. The Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine is a versatile and space-saving solution for those living in small spaces such as apartments, dorms, or RVs. This portable washing machine features a twin tub design that allows users to wash and spin-dry their clothes simultaneously, maximizing efficiency and saving time. Despite its compact size, it boasts a powerful motor that delivers a thorough wash and an effective spin cycle, ensuring clothes are cleaned and dried quickly. The machine is user-friendly, with simple controls that make operation straightforward, even for those new to laundry appliances. Additionally, it is energy efficient, consuming less water and electricity than traditional washing machines, making it an eco-friendly choice for small households or individuals on the go. Whether you're looking to save space or need a reliable washing solution while traveling, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine offers convenience and performance in one compact package. Its portability and ease of use make it an ideal choice for anyone needing a quick and efficient laundry solution in tight spaces. Number 1. Black Plus Decker Small Portable Washer. The Black Plus Decker Small Portable Washer is a versatile and compact laundry solution ideal for those living in tight spaces like apartments, dorms, or RVs. Despite its small footprint, this portable washer offers a range of wash programs designed to cater to various fabric types and laundry needs, ensuring thorough and customized cleaning. The user-friendly LED display and controls make it easy to operate, while its energy-efficient design helps conserve water and electricity. With built-in handles and rollers, it's easy to move and store when not in use. Additionally, the washer's quiet operation makes it perfect for shared living spaces, and its Quick Connect Sync adapter allows for hassle-free setup. Whether you're short on space or need a portable laundry solution, the Black Plus Decker Small Portable Washer combines convenience, efficiency, and performance in one compact package. This washer is especially ideal for those who value both function and style, offering a modern solution to traditional laundry challenges. Its easy setup and low maintenance further enhance its appeal, ensuring you can focus on living life rather than managing laundry. With the Black Plus Decker Small Portable Washer, efficient and effective laundry care is always within reach. And that concludes today's exploration of tech wonders here on Technify. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. You won't want to miss our daily dives into the latest and greatest in technology. Also, let us know your favorite tech marvel in the comments. So stay tuned for more top-tier tech reviews.